Welcome to another demo at today's Tech Showcase. With me, I have the Revuze team. Before we go ahead and get started, I just want to remind you about that Q&A box. If you have any questions, pop them there and we'll get to them at the end. And of course, we've got that chat box. Feel free to drop your LinkedIn or any other way that you would like to connect. But with that, I will hand it on over to our speakers.
Thank you so much, Bridget. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining our session today. My name is Adi. I look after sales or global reviews. Alongside with me, I have Omer, who runs our product team. And we're very thrilled to be speaking with you today. Let's go to the next slide. All right, so good day and good morning, everyone. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about social and something very crucial around that's very crucial for the consumers insights team. So achieving a truly comprehensive understanding of our customer. So social data gives us vast amounts of data. It's immediate. It tells us quite a lot. But we're here also today to say that relying solely on social data leaves a consumer insights gap that, if complemented with other sources, can offer an even greater overall perspective of the customer. For years, social listening has grown as a dominant source for brands and for their insight strategies, and for good reason. It provides a real-time pulse on public sentiment, helps us identify emerging trends, and even catch potential PR crises before they escalate. But as valuable as it is, social data alone offers just one piece of a much larger, more complex puzzle. To truly understand our customers, their motivation, their pain points, their deepest desires, we need to also look beyond conversations happening on social media. And I believe this is also becoming apparent to brands as well. If we go to the next slide, we'll see, in case in point, in terms of the level of data and some of the noise that happens is, we can see that according to Deloitte, 57% of brands say their biggest challenge today with social data is actually filtering out irrelevant noise. Others, according to SMR, say that social data is very useful but incomplete for understanding consumer behavior. And 71%, according to McKinsey, say that the conversation on social media lacked a product level granularity, which is really something that we wanted to talk with the team about today. So on the next slide, so essentially what we're saying is if social data has limitations, so what's the solution? And so the answer lies, we believe, in embracing a truly comprehensive voice of the customer strategy that includes social, reviews, ratings, and other direct feedback channels. So think of it this way. Social media is the public square, but reviews and ratings, for example, are the dedicated suggestion boxes directly tied to the consumer's experience with a specific brand or service or product. And they offer very valuable insights. So they provide direct purchase intent feedback. People are reviewing something that they've actually bought and used. They give us in-depth qualitative data, and users typically detail their experience. They list pros and cons and often share very specific use cases. So furthermore, reviews are essentially a way for us to complement along with social data and have the ability to reach something that is a lot more authentic and trusted by consumers. If you look at reviews, for example, they directly impact purchasing decisions. And so having your pulse on it is extremely important. So I would say in some cases, a well-reasoned review, even a critical one, can be extremely influential in unlocking consumer insights. Let's go to the next slide. So essentially, what we are here saying is that by combining the real-time pulse of social data, along with the depth and authenticity of reviews, ratings, and other direct VOC channel, we have an opportunity to move from a fragmented view to a 360-degree understanding of our customers. And this holistic approach allows our customers here, reviews, and their insights team to move beyond mere sentiment tracking and truly uncover the actionable insights that are needed to drive product innovation, product development, refine marketing strategies, and ultimately build stronger, more meaningful relationships with the customers. And so we take all of the data from all of the different channels from a VOC perspective, and that could be video, it can be text, and from any channel. And through our AI engine, basically fine-tune the model, fine-tune models, we spit out the actual recommendations and insights, and we do this holistically again across all of the different channels. And just to give you kind of a sense of Revuze in a nutshell, so we talked a little bit already about kind of how we take different insights or different channels and produce insights from them. So really, we serve today some of the world's leading brands, and we leverage the AI and machine learning to take those VOC VOC data from the different channels and produce those actionable recommendations. And we do that in few key areas. We help streamline market research. We help with product innovation by unlocking customers' wishes, wants, likes, dislikes. We have an ability to optimize price distribution, look at where there are white spaces from your category or from adjacent categories, and it overall enhance the online experience. And so that means that we're looking at things holistically. You really have that kind of high level brand insight, but as needed, you can drill down into very specific products and SKUs for your brand as well as your competitors' brands. And this is derived and again enabled by this 360 view of the consumer.